Visual English Lab.
Visual English Lab.
Let's learn food words. This is bread. This is cheese. Here is a bowl of rice. And this is a plate of pasta. What food do you like?
Some things we can count, like 1 apple, 2 apples. Other things, like rice, we cannot count. We say some rice. You cannot say 1 rice.
Look at the eggs. There are many eggs. We use many for things we can count. There is not much milk. We use much for things we cannot count. This soup has too much salt. It is too salty. I cannot eat it. This soup is not sweet enough. It needs more sugar to be perfect. These are drinks. This is water. This is milk. Here you can see juice, tea, and coffee. What is your favorite drink to have in the morning?
When we have food, we eat. For example, I eat a sandwich. When we have a liquid, we drink. For example, you drink a glass of water. We have some pasta. We use some in a positive sentence. For questions, we use any. Is there any sauce? No, there isn't any sauce. To offer something, you can say, "Would you like a drink?" To ask for something, you can say, "I'd like a hamburger, please." It is very useful.
To be very polite in a nice restaurant, you can ask for things like this. "Could I possibly have some water, please?" It is very formal and polite. When you want to eat, you can say, "I'm hungry." When you want to drink something, you can say, "I'm thirsty." I am hungry. I want pizza.